Hello everyone, REVAK Tech here, and today we're going to be unboxing a special kind of iPhone. Without further ado, let's begin. In front of me right here is a iPhone 14 Pro Max from the certified Apple Refurbished website. A few years ago, I actually owned an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I owned that phone until the iPhone 15 Pro Max released in 2023. I upgraded, and ever since then, I've kind of regretted having that phone. I've since upgraded to an iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange here. I got a 2TB phone right here, but there's something about this phone that's special to me. I really miss that deep purple, and I really miss the stainless steel of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a different kind of premium that I certainly do miss. I want to use this phone as a spare phone and a backup phone, and I went all out, got the AppleCare Plus, 1TB deep purple. So this box, it does feel pretty heavy. So I've never actually purchased a refurbished iPhone from Apple officially, or any sort of refurbished product. I don't recall ever purchasing a product from them from the refurbished site. So this is my first time getting a refurbished product from Apple. As far as I'm aware, like the body and the screen and the battery, all that stuff is brand new. I think the only thing that's used is the motherboard. So this will be interesting. Let's see what it comes with. It should only come with the charging cable, paperwork, and the phone itself. But it'd be kind of cool if they had some other stuff too. So as you can see, there's a lot of packing stuff here. That's probably what all the weight is. I mean, the box itself, without the phone in it, is still a little bit heavy. But here's the phone. We can see here that it says Apple Certified Refurbished 14 Pro Max. And looking at the back here, we can see iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple, 1TB. I think this would be a really nice backup to my iPhone 17 Pro Max that I have right here, which I'm also using to film right now. This would be cool to have as a spare. I do have a lot of Lightning accessories still laying around, even though I haven't used a Lightning phone as my daily driver since 2023 with the 15 Pro Max. It is nice to have the AppleCare warranty on this, so I can use and abuse it and not really care about it because, well, Apple will care. I bought the AppleCare Plus plan. So let's begin with the unboxing. Get all nice and close for you. All right, let's lift the top of the lid off. Ooh. Oh, there's already dirt on my brand new phone. Are you kidding me? Wow, I really missed this color. So, let's take the phone out, set that aside. Well, you can see we got our USB-C to Lightning, and in here, we got our eSIM paperwork, and I don't see any Apple stickers. There's no Apple stickers, just the paperwork, the basic stuff. Wow, this kind of looks like an iPod, doesn't it? I'm just going to leave all the accessories in this box. I'm not one to really use all the accessories that comes with my phone anyways. I never really do. But this one's no exception. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to store these little things in the box, set it off to the side for now. Here is the main attraction. This phone is absolutely beautiful. There is the stainless steel. Wow, I really missed this phone. And this is the last iPhone with the ringer switch. It's actually kind of funny to think about. This phone introduced the dynamic island, and it was the last iPhone with the Lightning port, the ringer switch. Here it is, without any real fingerprints. Let me turn this thing on and let's see what iOS version this device is running. I'm assuming because this is straight from Apple, this is probably going to be either iOS 18 or 26. I have no hopes for anything lower than that. I don't even have hopes for iOS 18. So let's see what it turns on to. Alright, I'm not exactly sure what version this is, but it's definitely not iOS 26. Let me set this up and I'll catch back in a second. Alright guys, after a long process of setting up this iPhone, it's finally done. I didn't even know you can activate these phones anymore without internet or anything, so it just activated totally fine without anything, but it took a long time to skip some of those steps. It is on iOS 18, I did see from the splash screen. There we go, there it is set up right now. There's currently nothing on it, but if we go to settings, general, the device is running iOS 18.6.2. I am pleasantly surprised that this device is not running iOS 26. Honestly, iOS 26 for me has been hit or miss. On my flagship 17 Pro Max that I'm using to film this video here, it has been just a mess all around. I've put it on other older devices as well, and iOS 26 has been getting better, but those first 2 or 3 months were pretty brutal. So I'm going to keep this thing on iOS 18 for the foreseeable future. I'm just going to use this as a secondary and a spare, just a device to have. So I'm excited to finally use this phone again. I really missed this color. The lighting in my room isn't doing it very good justice right now, but in person, it just pops. It looks so nice and purple. My 15 and my 16 Pro Max that I had, and well, even my iPhone 17 Pro Max, has not felt as premium as this iPhone has for me. I certainly do miss the glossy stainless steel. I just miss the glossy design in general. I really think it makes it feel more premium. I know for sure this phone is more durable than my 17 Pro Max's body for sure. It might not have the newest ceramic shield, but that's okay. I'm gonna put a screen protector on this anyway to prevent it from getting scratches. Yeah, that about does it for today's video, guys. Well, hopefully you do enjoy this video, and if you did, please smack that like button. Follow my X, Twitter, Instagram. Links will be in the description below. And as always, this is REVAK Tech, signing out.